I still remember how you called my name. Your gentle voice somehow could calm the rain. You held my hand when I was scared to try, and taught me how to stand and reach the sky. Now photographs are all I have to see, but every memory brings you close to me. I miss you more than words could ever say. I carry you within my heart each day. Though years may pass and seasons come and go, there's one thing I will always know. Everything you taught me helped me to become who I am today. Your love still lives in me. Sometimes I wish that I could hear your voice, to tell you where I've been and every choice. There are so many things I'd love to share, and moments when I almost feel you there. I'll keep the lessons that you gave to me, and pass your kindness through my family. I miss you more than words could ever say. I carry you within my heart each day. Though years may pass and seasons come and go, there's one thing I will always know. Everything you taught me helped me to become who I am today. Your love still lives in me. And through the years, wherever I may be, a part of you will always live in me. Your voice, your love, the things you taught me to, I'll carry them forever, remembering